Hi, my name's Dan O'Brien. I'm the plant manager at AP5. At AP5, I lead our refrigeration factory where we make 4-door and 3-door front door bottom mount units. Yeah, we built a lot of refrigerators. A couple of years ago, we actually reshored. That equals over half the jobs that we have in our factory today. It's important to build the products here for speed to market, close to the consumer. Compared to our competition, we're second to none. We'll get the steel here in the morning, form it up, fabricate it, have it on a refrigerator, and it can be on a truck on the way to the consumer today. Our footprint here in the U.S., it's not only important for GE appliances, but for each job we have here, that's 7 to 8 jobs within the community. I take great pride in the investment. Since 2016, over $3 billion, driving jobs, continuing to grow and develop. Built for America takes taking all the material, taking the skill set, technology, and equipment that we have in-house to make great products. That's really what Built for America is.